Hello, Elaine from Elaine's Creations here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make this Christmas wreath card using the Arrange a Wreath bundle from Stampin' Up. So here is the card, and here are the supplies that I used to make the card. I'm going to start by showing you the pine wood planks embossing folder that I used as the background. It's a great folder to have in your stock. I use it all the time. So I'm just going to adhere this down using the Stampin' Seal. Because it's an embossing folder, I'm going to use a little bit extra adhesive because there's a little bit less surface for the adhesive to attach to. So I'm just going to go ahead and add some more and just lay that down. I've also got some of this DSP from the 12 Tidings that carried over from the last holiday catalog. I really love this DSP. I'm so glad they brought it back. It's got this wonderful gingham design that I really love. And then this window frame is from the Stitched Rectangle dies. And I cut two of them out together. And I'm just going to use some liquid glue all around to adhere this to the card. It's just going to make it easier to adhere. So I'm going to do that a little bit, do that diagonally as well. Just going to hold that down. And then we've got all these flowers here, and I'll deal with those later. And I've got two wreaths cut out with garden green. So I'm going to put some glue in the center of those as well. And I'm just going to go all the way around the center. I just want to glue down the centers because I want to be able to curl up the leaves later and add some dimension to the wreath. So here's one wreath, and I'm going to go ahead and use a big block to just hold it down in place while I add some glue to the other wreath. It can be my extra hand. I've always wanted an extra hand. How about you? All right, let's stick this under, and then we'll add our extra hand. Try to offset it a little bit so it's not the same. All right, so we've got two of these that we're going to overlap with this and a little one. We've got this plus a little one and a whole bunch of extra. All right, so we're not going to use the liquid glue anymore, so we'll put that aside. We are going to use glue dots. So we'll grab our glue dots, and I'm going to use this for our Merry Christmas. So glue dots, I always peel to reveal, only a few at a time. And I'm going to grab a glue dot right in the middle, and I'm just going to kind of peel that up slowly so I don't rip any of the paper off. I'm going to offset that, and then I'm going to grab the next size and peel that off slowly and offset that too. And then the smallest one, and then offset that too. And then this one, oh, it looks like I do need another one, so we'll bring in one. I'm gonna grab the small one, offset that, and maybe I will just, should I do another big one and just offset that? No, I like the small one. So it looks like I need, oh, here's my other baby one. It's like, where's my other baby one? Okay, and where's the small, okay. Here we go. So now I need to peel a couple more. So I'll do this one, peel that up. Okay, so now we'll add these to our wreath. We'll add one right here and one right here, and we need one more glue dot. We'll add one right here. Now we're going to grab some gems from the Wonderful Gems, and I'm going to use the Take Your Pick tool to grab some of these gems. I'm going to do the small ones here. And then I'm going to do a large one on this one. Kind of offset a little bit. And then I'm going to go around and kind of lift up some of these leaves and curl them up to give this some dimension. And I can do the same thing with the flowers. Let's curl those up. And just go around, and the Take Your Pick tool is helpful in helping you kind of grab some of those leaves and lift them up, right? Pick up those leaves. Pretty. Just keep going around. Make it dimensional. Uh-oh. Bye-bye, leaf. Ruh-roh, we're gonna have to glue that down. Should we use a glue dot or glue? We'll use some glue. Emergency fix. We need some first aid here. Tuck that underneath. Oh no! We can fix it. We can always fix it. Okay, there we go. There we go. That's all good. All right, so now we're gonna do a little bit of embossing. We're gonna emboss the Merry Christmas. So just gonna clean this off here, and then get some Versamark, our stamp set, and our embossing powder. Get that all ready. And we'll stamp Merry Christmas right on the end here. And then we'll put some embossing powder on it. That's pretty good. And we'll put this aside so we don't get any heat on it. And grab our heat tool, and we will heat it up and melt the embossing powder. All right, so now we'll just snip some off. I like to do like a longer piece so that I can hold it without getting burnt, and then I can just snip it off like so. And then we can just add some adhesive to the back. And then just that like that, and then we'll just pick up this leaf here, curl that up. All right, I forgot to add some ribbon on this last one because it's supposed to look like this. So let me grab some ribbon. This is the new braided trim ribbon from our holiday catalog. I love it. Nice and red, festive. Can't believe it's time to already think about the holidays. September 1st. Wow. Time is moving fast, yet so slow. All right, so I'm just gonna trim this off a little bit. And then I'm gonna add a glue dot to this. And then I'm just gonna add this to the wreath. Right there. And there you have your Christmas card. So I'm offering a class on the Arrange a Wreath bundle. It includes 2 Christmas cards, 2 fall cards, and 2 spring cards. And if you purchase the Arrange a Wreath bundle, you will get these cards for free. Just go to elainescreations.net and use the September hostess code, and I will send you these cards for free. If you already have the bundle or want something different, you can just place a $50 order using this hostess code and just send me an email and let me know that you would like this card class, and I will send it to you for free. Thank you guys so much for joining me. Don't forget to watch all my other Arrange a Wreath bundle cards on these other 2 cards. And please subscribe to my channel. See you guys next time. Bye.